Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a natural hair video, but instead of showing you guys my natural hair, I have started experimenting with some natural hair weave, and that is what this video is going to be about today. Okay family, so first thing first, as you can see here, I have started with my hair braided. So I just have some big braids. It doesn't have to be perfect because no one's gonna see it. And I'm just gonna take this last braid and tuck it in, and you can either use a bobby pin to pin it down or you can sew it down. But as you can see, my hair is nice and neat, but I do have a little bit of leave out. So I'm just gonna tuck the leave out away and then get started. So for today's video, I am happy to partner with this amazing hair company called Better Length. So for those of you guys who have gone natural or you have natural short hair, this is perfect for you. So Better Length is natural hair inspired. They have different kinds of curls, but this is the curl pattern that matches my hair best. So I decided to go with this. This is their Kinky curls. So all I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna cut it and show you guys how the clip-ins come. So these are what the tracks looks like, and they have the clips on it right there. And this is how you can clip it on and off. So you push in to open the clip and you push out to shut it. So it is very simple to use, and I'll show you guys here. And because this is for my full head, they have different lengths. So this is the shortest length. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that in the back of my head. So again, all you have to do is you push out to open the clip, and then you push in to close it, and there you go. You clip it on your head and it's strong and it stays. So for a hairstyle like this, you can keep it in for as long as you want. You can reuse the clips, you can wash it, you can twist your hair with it. You can just do a whole bunch with it. I will say this is my first time using this actual brand, so I don't know how the quality is after a while. But when I did put this hairstyle on, I did have it on for about a week, and the curls were still nice. Everything was still perfect. So I took it out and kept it, and I'm gonna use it again. But like I said, this would be my first experience with them, and actually I really like it. I love the fact that the more you play with it, the more natural it looks and the more it blends in with your hair. And it's also easy, especially now that we're all quarantined. You don't have to go look for someone to do your sew-ins or do your hair. You can literally just braid your hair down and put the clips in yourself. Or if you don't know how to braid, you can also just put your hair in a ponytail down to the back and clip the clips in as well. It still works exactly the same. Okay, that is my last piece. That is one of the longest piece. I'm just wrapping it around my part. As you guys can see here, I have a side part. Okay, we are done with our clip-ins. I'm just gonna finger comb it a little bit, and then I'm gonna use this spray bottle to spray some water. All I'm using right now is water, just to loosen up the curls a little bit. And now I'm gonna go ahead and part my natural hair to try to blend it. I'm also using some water to spray my hair so that the curls can come out as well. And then I'm gonna be using this Kinky leave-in conditioner with argan oil to further blend my hair. So all I'm doing is I'm just blending my hair with the conditioner and water to make sure that it actually matches the curls. just gonna move on to my edges. I did run out of my Eco Styler gel, so I'm using that gel that I got from the Dollar Tree, but it still works fine. All I do is just use my toothbrush, lay my edges. You can tie it down if you want, but I didn't need to tie it down here, as you can see, and voila, we're done. See how natural it looks? Let me turn around so you guys can see. It looks absolutely natural. As I said, I had this hairstyle in for about a week and everybody thought it was my real hair. I had a few people stop me and ask me how I was able to define my curls so well. And I had to tell them, thank you, but it's not my real hair. But it's pretty convincing. And you can also, depending on how much hair you leave out, you can also wear this as a ponytail. You can put some up and leave some down. You can actually do your whole head if you don't want to leave some of your hair out. And I'll probably show you guys some other hairstyles in the future. But yeah, that's basically it, y'all. I absolutely love it and I encourage you guys to try it out as well. So for those of you guys who are interested, I'm going to leave their name and their website down below. And I'm also going to leave a discount code to help you guys out. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.